China-US dollar high-yield property bonds returned over 8% in 2020.
On the other hand, Chinese property stocks underperformed the MSCI China Index last year.
So Andy, given these divergence in performance in 2020, what is your outlook for the China property sector from an equity perspective in 2021?
We are broadly constructive on the outlook of the Chinese property sector this year. Despite potential regulatory headwinds, we see room for robust core earnings growth in 2021 for developers. In addition, we believe there is scope for land prices to soften ahead, offering developers with strong balance sheets opportunities to replenish their land banks. From a fixed income perspective, how should investors position themselves in the new year?
We are maintaining the mantra of an overweight view in Chinese high-yield property bonds in 2021. First, the average yield of over 7% is higher than the averages of other emerging markets. With near zero interest rates and negative yielding debts in developed markets, there is an ongoing shift of attention to the sector. Second, credit fundamentals remained stable. This is attributed to two key factors: strong demand driven by the overriding trend of urbanization and housing upgrade, and stringent regulations controlling the sector leverage. More recently, the 345 policy. Third, being domestic-focused, the sector is a good hedge against geopolitical risk. The Chinese high-yield property sector will continue to be a sweet spot in 2021. In particular, we prefer high-quality single B rated to double B rated issues for the more attractive risk-reward. And Andy, how do valuations look from an equity perspective?
Valuations-wise, the Chinese property sector is trading at a steep discount to the historical averages from a forward price-to-earnings and price-to-book basis. Furthermore, estimated dividend yields for the sector remain significantly above historical averages. This bodes well for the sector, given the voracious appetite for yield in the current low interest rate environment. My name is Andy.
My name is Wai Mei, and this is Bank of Singapore Research.